Hi, welcome back, and today I'm going to do a little demonstration of how I've progressed in my project today. And this is so far what I've done here, just show. So as you can see now, I've now interfaced the camera, the Bluetooth adapter, the MCU JY Bluetooth adapter, and behind I've got the JY65 barometer. This also outputs temperatures and that uses the SPI interface. So yeah, I've also implemented my H-bridge there, as you can see. That will be used to control the direction of the motors. And yeah, I'm going to be using a voltage regulator, which I'll be hooking up to the chip, and that will be giving out 5 volts. I'll hook up a 9-volt battery to that, and here's my app. You can see, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to do a little demonstration of so far what it can do. Okay, just everything it basically can do, and then after that I'm going to take all these components and I'm going to put it into VeriBoard. Right now I'm just drawing out the schematic of what I've done now, and then using Paint or Word I'm going to try and map out how I'm going to place the components on the VeriBoard, pretty much. So yeah, now here's a little demonstration of how this is going to work. Okay, so what I do now, okay, I'm going to, as you can see, so there we go. Let me just check if it's on. Everything's on. Actually, yeah, let me just power in my circuit first. Okay, this is just a 6-volt battery that just is purely used for the motors. Okay, just make sure you're not covering the microphone there when I'm talking. No. Alright, so here's the app. Okay, I'm going to connect, and look, you'll see there that the light, I don't know if you noticed before that now the light is now, it's flickering, it's slowed down pretty much, so that means it's connected now. So now if you look at the app now, okay, so as you can see I've got battery power there, I've got temperature, I've got pressure, and I've got altitude. Now since this is not since the ATmega328 is not a multi-threaded processor or microcontroller, I can only do things linearly, if you know what I mean. So if I take a picture, I can't move at the same time, or if I read read temperatures or pressures, I can't take a picture. You know, I have to wait for things to go in one after the other. So what I've done is I've made myself update everything when I can, instead of just updating regular time, because it's much easier that way. So I'm just going to update the parameters of where the robot will be, and as you can see, the battery power is 100%. The battery power is the chip is getting power from the laptop, and the temperature right now is 17.5 degrees, which is the temperature right now in Ireland, well, in Dublin of course, and a pressure of 900, whatever that is, yeah, 99,384 pascals. We're not really at sea level. I think sea level's pressure is something like at 110,000. So, but we're just a bit above, and as you can see, we're at an altitude of 162 meters. So that's pretty much it. So I want to demonstrate to you how the motors work. So as you can see here, the arrows left, right, straight. Right now I've set the back as just to stop the motors, but I will change it once I've actually introduced a stop button in my app. So here it goes. So I'm going to press the forward button. No, why is this not working? Alright, okay, there's a bit of a problem there. Now I'm going to press left. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to press right. See how they change. It's going to stop. going to go straight again. Oh, what's going on here? Okay, I don't know what's going on there. Alright, maybe the batteries are pretty low. It was doing it before, but I don't know why it's not working anymore. So that's pretty much what it does. So next I'm going to take a picture, but I'm going to press this button, then I'm going to pause it because it takes 30 seconds to take a picture. It's just the JPEG camera I'm using here is really, really slow, you know. So here it goes. I'm going to press it. Okay, pause it. Alright, okay. So that's basically what the camera now just took, and as you can see, it just took a picture of the ceiling because it's pointing upwards, as you can see, So yeah, so that's pretty much my project. That's pretty much my project, and next I'm going to put onto Veroboard, as I said, and when I'm done with that, I will give a little demonstration of that as well. Thank you for listening.